If you are looking for information related to Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, an act replacing Indian Penal Code effective July 1st, 2024, then this video is for you. It's a quick walkthrough on how to install this act onto your smartphone and access it offline. Open Play Store from your device, search for Law app. Once you find the information, open Law app created by Rachit Technology. You can find information, various laws, civil law, criminal law, acts, rules, property law in this app. Click on install. Click on open. Click on start. Select country India. And on the home page you can find all the trending popular acts, rules, regulations from India right now. Or you can click on select act and find the specific law name that you are looking for. So let's select Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 from the home screen. Once you click on it, it will connect to our secure server, download the act onto your device, and you can access the act later completely offline. So now you can see here all the sections in one single go. You can minimize the tree, maximize the tree, click on a specific chapter or a section that you are looking for. Let's open short title and you can select accent. Let's select English India and you can click on play.
One, this act may be called the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, 2023. 2. It shall come into force on such date as the central government may, by notification in the official gazette, appoint, and different dates may be appointed for different provisions of the Sanhita.
You can click on next section. You can click on audio again.
The punishments to which offenders are liable under the provisions of the Sanhita are A. Death. B. Imprisonment for life. C. Imprisonment, which is of 2 days.
Click on next. Change the font size as per your requirement. Search for a specific keyword. You can also search in the complete act. So let's search the same keyword and you can find all the references across all the sections for the same keyword. You can change the theme of the app. So select any theme. Let's select royal blue. And now you can see the downloaded act is available on the home screen. This act can be opened offline. You don't need internet connection to read the act once the act is downloaded onto your device. So this concludes the demo for the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. It is available in Law app on Google Play Store, on Apple Store, as well as on the Windows device. And once you download the act, it works offline as well. Thank you.